Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your caller ID on your iPhone. Now the first thing to know is that the caller ID is set by your carrier. However, you can turn it off directly on your iPhone if you want to be anonymous, and it's very easy to do. So first let's head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now we're on the iPhone settings, let's scroll all the way down until we get to this phone here, and let's tap into that. Now here in the phone section, you'll see here towards the bottom, show my caller ID, and what you want to do is you want to tap into that. Depending on your carrier, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes to load, and then it's a simple toggle here, and it's either green and it'll show your caller ID, and if you toggle it off and it'll be greyed out, it will not show the other person your caller ID, so you will be anonymous to that person. However, as you may know, a lot of people do not pick up to anonymous calls. What you need to keep in mind also, depending on your carrier, it may still show your phone number to the other person. But that's the quickest and easy way how to turn on or off the caller ID directly on your iPhone. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and thank you for watching.